Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video in which we will discuss about best drones for photography in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion. And I tried to list them based on price, quality and durability. If you want to see price and more detailed info about these drones, you can check out the links in description and comments section below. Okay, let's get started. At number 5. We have DJI Mavic Mini. The smallest, cheapest, lightest drones for photography. Mavic Mini lets us capture some of our most cherished family moments from an amazing new perspective. We can simply enjoy our time together making memories and leave the rest to Mavic Mini. Believe me, it will not disappoint us. Transform any moment into a work of art. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K Quad HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. Mavic Mini is super portable and gives everything you need to make vlogs and skate videos more dynamic than ever. At number 4. We have Parrot Anafi FPV-ready drone. Anafi FPV is designed for explorers but also for dreamers. The camera experience is a new paradigm for aerial photographers and videographers, providing a unique cocoon for immersive photography and in-depth image controls. The full array of Anafi's manual camera settings are available in FPV mode. Photographers can enjoy total immersion in the on-screen image, exploring new techniques for shot composition, then seamlessly toggle into deep image controls to fine-tune photos and videos. Manual settings such as shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and exposure compensation, and advanced features such as an image histogram and zebra exposure assistance overlay, are customizable and easily displayed by opening the settings using the button on the cockpit glasses. New flight presets join Anafi's exciting menu of options, designed to help pilots of every level capture stunning videos with ease. Available in Free Flight 6.6, the new additions allow Anafi FPV pilots to expand their creativity at the tap of a touchscreen. In arcade mode, flying is as simple as pointing the camera in the right direction. The Sky Controller 3's left joystick controls the camera, which allows you to view in any direction, while the right joystick controls the movement of the drone. By holding forward on the right joystick, the drone will travel in the direction the camera is pointed. Included with the new Anafi FPV is a brand new Anafi backpack, which doubles as a stable platform to prepare and launch your drone right in front of you. That means you no longer need to put your drone down on snow-covered slopes, mud and dirt, or rugged terrain as you prepare for launch. The new backpack extends Anafi FPV as the ultimate go-anywhere drone. Anafi FPV's one-of-a-kind folding design, lightweight body, and superb battery life with USB-C charging on the go complement its outstanding image quality, easy-to-use modes and presets, versatile manual controls, and groundbreaking. On number 3. We have Parrot Bebop 2. The lightweight, compact HD video drone. The Parrot Bebop 2 is your ideal flight companion. Weighing 500 grams and offering 25 minutes of autonomous flight time, this leisure drone is cutting edge. Its high-performance specs mean it can fly, film, and take photographs brilliantly both indoors and outdoors. Lightweight, 500 grams, compact, and aerodynamic, the Parrot Bebop 2 is designed to be transported easily. It will go with you wherever and whenever you want to capture and share your finest flight moments in full HD. As a flying camera, the Parrot Bebop 2 films in 1080p full HD. Even in low light, pictures are incredibly sharp thanks to its wide-angle 14-megapixel lens. Offering horizontal and vertical 180 degrees pictures, it's easy to take aerial photos without losing quality. For professional results, simply choose RAW or DNG from the 3 formats available. The Parrot Bebop 2 is great for taking pictures, and it's built for speed too. It reaches 37.28 miles per hour horizontally and 13.05 miles per hour vertically without affecting image quality. It gets up to top speed in 14 seconds and resists headwinds of up to 37.28 miles per hour. It also boasts a record-breaking time, halting completely in just over 4 seconds. The Parrot Bebop 2 is highly intuitive. It responds to movements of your smartphone or tablet via its accelerometer and the interface's touchscreen controls. Flying is easy, take off and land with a single button. Capture your best moments from the sky with high precision. With the Follow Me feature, capture your best moments with high precision thanks to the use of advanced visual recognition technology and the GPS tracking system on your smartphone. Cycling, running, rowing, climbing. Everything is possible. Leave your smartphone in your pocket and let your drone film you in your everyday activities with complete autonomy. The Follow Me, GPS and visual tracking feature is available as an in-app purchase in your Free Flight Pro application. Number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. See the bigger picture with this drone. Made in Sweden, Hasselblad cameras are renowned for their iconic ergonomic design, uncompromising image quality, and Swedish craftsmanship. Since 1941, Hasselblad cameras have captured some of the world's most iconic images, including the first moon landing. Co-engineered in partnership with Hasselblad after 2 years of tireless research, the Mavic 2 Pro comes equipped with the all-new Hasselblad L1D20C camera. The L1D20C possesses Hasselblad's unique Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS, technology, helping users to capture gorgeous 20-megapixel aerial shots in stunning color detail. The brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor has an active sensing area 4 times more effective than the original Mavic Pro. The large sensor also means better performance in low-light environments with a more extensive ISO range, max ISO lifted from 3200 to 12800. The Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit log-M color profile that yields higher dynamic range for more flexibility in the grading room. The system records over 1 billion colors, compared to the 16 million colors from traditional 8-bit color coding technologies, and retains more in-depth details in both highlights and shadows. Now you can capture the subtlest gradations at sunset or sunrise, leaving greater space for post-production. Enter your text here. With 4K 10-bit HDR support, the Mavic 2 Pro can be plugged into a 4K TV with HLG and will immediately play back footage with the right color tones. The brighter highlights and increased contrast are what make HDR video so appealing. The f2.8 to f11 adjustable aperture delivers outstanding image quality both in high and low light environments. When shooting in low light, set the aperture to f2.8 to allow more light in and to capture bright and clear photos. When shooting in well-lit environments, set the aperture to f11 to lower the shutter speed and make your videos smoother. Number 1. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. The most intelligent and professional drone in the market. Features 1-inch CMOS sensor that can shoot 4K 60fps videos and 20MP photos. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 grants filmmakers absolute creative freedom. The OcuSync 2.0 HD transmission system ensures stable connectivity and reliability. 5 directions of obstacle sensing ensures additional safety, and a dedicated remote controller with a built-in screen grants even greater precision and control. A wide array of intelligent features makes flying that much easier. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is a complete aerial imaging solution, designed for the professional creator. The onboard camera features a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor and a mechanical shutter, eliminating rolling shutter distortion. An advanced sensor and impressive processing capture every detail and provide the image data needed for advanced post-production. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 camera has an optimized f/2.8 wide-angle lens, ensuring consistently detailed photos and videos that remain vivid and sharp while maintaining color. Several flight modes make flying and creating with the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 a streamlined and convenient experience. Switching between flight modes grants pilots the control they need, whether they seek smoothness, simplicity, or speed. Intuitive controls and a maximum speed of 45 miles per hour simplify complex shots. Flight Autonomy is an advanced aerial intelligence and flight automation platform, giving filmmakers the confidence to capture more complex images. A real-time view of its environment and 3D map provide crucial data. Redundant EMUs and compasses monitor critical data and rule out possible errors, dramatically enhancing the reliability of flight. Obstacle sensing in 5 directions improves safety and overall flight experience. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0's remote controller uses OcuSync 2.0 video transmission, which employs time division multiplexing technology to send control signals and receive video signals simultaneously, which allows for 1080p live streaming at a distance of up to 8 kilometers. Supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, OcuSync 2.0 scans for the frequency band with the lowest interference and switches accordingly to maintain clear transmission. Thanks to OcuSync 2.0, the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 connects wirelessly to the DJI goggles for an even more immersive experience. An ultra-bright 5.5-inch screen makes vivid colors easily visible even in direct sunlight. As the DJI Go 4 app is built into the screen, a mobile device is not required, simplifying operation. The remote controller features several different ports and a 5-hour battery life, making the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 a comprehensive aerial imaging solution. The DJI Go 4 app shows battery lifetime and calculates remaining flight times according to distance traveled and more. When the minimum distance required for a safe journey back to the takeoff point is reached, a prompt will alert the pilot. An advanced battery management system is also in place to prevent overcharging and overdraining. When placed in long-term storage, batteries will discharge power to maintain good health. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe our channel to have more videos like this. Take a good care of you. Goodbye.